turn frustration into action. This is a tough one. This technique is not easy because you have to change your mind and your emotion to reflect the end goal of the action you are taking. And that takes practice. The technique goes something like this. First, you find yourself frustrated by any number of things, and frustration holds you back. It makes you not want to act. Second, you have to release the frustration. You have to let it go. You have to let it pass right through you. Third, you have to imagine, focus on, and embrace the thought and feeling of the benefit or accomplishment you receive at the end of the action you are taking. That's a lot of inner work and change, and it may take some time to get accustomed to doing it quickly, this releasing and embracing. But it's worth it, and it will get you moving. If you agree, click like and follow. Also, click the link in my bio to find out what online business I'm moving on.